Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Audacity for noise reduction and EQ. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the official Audacity website. Locate the download section. Choose the version compatible with your operating system. Download the installation file. Once the download is complete, open the installation file. Follow the prompts to install Audacity on your computer. After installation, launch Audacity. Familiarize yourself with the interface. To record audio, select the microphone icon. Set your microphone input level appropriately. Click the red record button to start recording. Once you finish, click the stop button. To reduce noise, select a portion of the audio track that contains only background noise. Go to the Effect menu in the toolbar. Select Noise Reduction from the drop-down list. Click on Get Noise Profile to capture the noise. Now select the entire audio track by pressing Ctrl+A or Command+A. Return to the Effect menu and click on Noise Reduction again. Adjust the settings for noise reduction as needed. Click OK to apply the noise reduction. Next, to adjust the equalization, go back to the Effect menu. Choose Filter Curve EQ. You can create a custom EQ curve or select a preset. Adjust the frequency bands to enhance your audio. Click OK to apply the equalization changes. To listen to your modifications, press the play button. If you're satisfied with the results, go to the File menu. Select Export to save your improved audio. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.